Create a square file. My file is 1080 by 1080 pixels. Go to View, Guides, New Guide Layout. Create 4 columns and 4 rows. The gutter should be 0 pixels. Select the pen tool. Select Shape. Pick a fill color. This can be any color you want. Select No Color for the stroke. Create a triangle like this. Create a new layer. Change the fill color. Again, this can be any color you want. Create a second triangle. Create a new layer. Change the fill color. Again, this can be any color you want. Create a square in the center of the canvas. Go to Edit. Define pattern. Create a pattern layer. Select the pattern you just made. Then adjust the scale. You can keep the pattern like this, or you can rotate it 45 degrees. And that's how you create this pattern.